Hi guys, today I'm going to take you along with me. I'm going to be shopping at the Goodwill bins. You're going to see the items that I pick out, why I pick them out. I'm going to show you kind of the quality of them, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to resell them on Facebook Marketplace. So come along. Hi guys, so here I am in one of the bins, and I found this great find. It is an Under Armour t-shirt, and the only issue with it is the lettering on the back, but I think I can totally get that off and totally resell this. So here's one of my finds. Next I have this Nike hooded sweatshirt. No rips, no stains. Great find. I think I'm going to pick this up and see if I can resell it. Alright guys, these here, the brand just says Star Wars sweats. Totally think that's a great find. There's no rips, no stains. So you literally have to go through every bin, every item, but it's totally worth it. Look at my big stack of stuff here. And this is my other cart. I can't wait to show you my haul when I get back. I'm going to take everything out, lay it out, show you guys. I do plan to wash it all, and then I'm going to list these items for Marketplace.
And start a new life at Goodwill. Our big going.
Hi guys, well it's been several days since we last filmed when I was actually in the Goodwill bins. So I have one of my favorite items here. So generally after I go to the bins, I gather everything, bring it all home, inspect it all, and then I do a good thorough wash on everything. And then I start categorizing and doing my listing for Marketplace. So I wanted to show you guys some finds that I got so far. And so here's the first item. This is a nice Hollister shirt, long sleeve. And as you can see, there's no rips or stains. And when I'm looking at clothing items, I look for name brands, I look for things with no stains. And if for some reason I couldn't sell this, could one of my family members wear it? And the answer is yes to this. So this is one item. I have listed it on Marketplace for $10, hoping to sell it. Alright, here is another item. This is a Under Armour long sleeve shirt. It's pretty cold here where we live in South Washington, so trying to get some winter clothes. This one is for me. This is a cardigan. Nothing wrong with it. Nice and soft. This is by Carolyn Taylor. But yeah, I actually needed a cardigan, so this is perfect. Next up, we have a little boy's medium Nike hoodie sweatshirt. Super cute. And the next up is a hoodie pullover Puma long sleeve for a boy. This has some interesting color patterns. And then lastly, I'm going to show you this pair of pants from Aeropostale, some yoga pants. And again, no rips or stains, and I always try to pick name brand items. While I was there, I actually got a total of 115 items, and I spent total out of my pocket $82. As of right now, I have let's see, I've sold about 14 items, and I have made $140. So far to date, I have made $58 profit. Now that's not a lot of money right now, but I still have a lot of more items to sell. But what's good about this is that a third of that clothing actually went to me and my family. Items that we needed, coats, hoodies, shirts, things that way. So Overall, I am very pleased with this and can't wait to go back to do another haul. So if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on our next Goodwill bin haul. Thank you.